Join the room, sir. Okay. Mr. Lee Jack.
Yes.
How you doing, sir?
Good. How about you?
Mr. Lee Jack, right? Or did he get that right?
Oh, Lijak.
Lijak. All right, Lijak.
Yes, sir.
Lijak. Okay, Mr. Lijak. All right. I think I have it now.
Okay.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus John Paul Lijak, case number U60319021.
Yes.
Lijak, there's an offer here to plead to the amended count of disorderly conduct. I'm going to fine you $240, and with this type of offense, you're going to have to take HIV, STD testing, and a misdemeanor morality course, sir. I can avail you to that offer. You can take that offer, or we can set a trial date in the matter, or I can give you some time if you want to retain your own lawyer, or you can speak to Mrs. Fulmer, who is a very competent lawyer herself.
Well, I just got I'll take the plea. I just got a couple questions about it.
Well, I'm gonna let you speak to the counselor. I mean, I can answer some very limited questions, except nothing that relates to the facts and circumstances of the case.
Okay, so what if I accept the plea deal? What will it show on my record?
Disorderly conduct, sir.
Okay, so will that be?
What it's going to show, if you look at the register of action, it's going to show the initial charge, and then it's going to show that it's been amended to a disorderly conduct.
Okay. Will it show as a misdemeanor?
Yes, it's a misdemeanor.
So it's a misdemeanor either way, but it's just a lower misdemeanor.
And it's a misdemeanor anyway. You know, it's punishable by 90 days in jail and or $500 fine. Any way you slice it, I don't know if it's either lower. I think the what you're looking at is the optics of it are a little bit different, but the optics don't even change, because if someone looks at the ROA, they're going to see the initial charge, and they're going to see that it has been amended to what you pled to. So if you're worried about optics, I can set you a trial date. You can see if you can beat it.
No, I was just wondering, because I'm applying for a few jobs. That's why I was wondering. I've had employers look at it, and it shows what it shows now. That's why I wanted it lowered, so that way, you know, it doesn't look as bad.
Well, I mean, you got options. You can set a trial date, you can talk to the lawyer, or you can hire your own lawyer.
No, I'll take the plea.
Here's a super lawyer right here in our courtroom. You want me to put you in a breakout room with them?
Well, can I still accept the plea deal?
Of course you can. I don't have to put you in a breakout room to accept the plea deal, but I think you need somebody to talk to first. That's what she's here for. She's a lawyer and counselor.
Okay.
You can cry on her shoulder.
I was like, if I decide to accept the plea deal, I can and get it, because I want to get this taken care of. I can pay the fine today.
Sir, just speak with her for a minute. Ms. Palmer, what is Mr. Green going to do?
Mr. Green, we're asking for a bench trial, Your Honor.
All right. That's what I would say. Why not?
He's not guilty.
I expect you to say that, Ms. Coleman.
Thank you, Judge. I take that as a compliment.
Only a good defense attorney would say nothing less than that. So, all right, I'm gonna join that breakout room, and you gotta hear Mr. Lyjak's story. It's only gonna take minutes for him, I'm sure. And we'll finish Mr. Green.
Yes.
We're back on the record with Mr. Layman Green, and I'm gonna give you a trial date of December the 14th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day, sir. If you don't have any further questions.
No, thank you.
All right. Let's see what Mrs. Nash. We're waiting on Mrs. Nash's info still.
I sent it in. I don't. Well, let me see.
Yeah, I have to wait until it comes though now. Oh, Destiny
Okay.
Nash.
Yes.
Ms. Nash, this should still have a certificate through the Secretary of State, though, shouldn't it?
No, because I have my tags on my car and everything. I purchased my insurance and they put my tags in through the place that I bought my car from.
Where's your proof of insurance?
Everything that I sent you is what they gave me.
You have to give insurance. You have to provide them with the insurance. You have to provide them with the insurance. You should be able to provide me, at the very least, a certificate of insurance.
Okay.
Do you have that?
Well, I don't have it.
Are you currently insured now, ma'am?
No.
All right, that's the answer.
I believe I paid for insurance when I bought my car.
No. Now you're going back again. Let's not do that. You lose credibility, ma'am. I'm trying to see if I can help you out the best I can do for you. But if you're not going to be honest with me, then there's nothing I can do. Let's call. You're not going to be slick with me. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Cleveland, Deborn Gregory.
Here, present.
217-270781. Mr. Ask what they want on this. Did you get Ms. Wolf on the line the last time?
Yes.
Ask her what she wants on that failure to secure load. Sir, you got charged with failure to secure load. I'm trying to get an offer for you. It'll be a $240 fine. I don't know how they want to dispose of that because it's a state ticket. But whatever you plead to is going to be a $240 fine. Or I can set a trial date if you have some defenses to the ticket, or I can put you in a breakout room with Ms. Fulmer when she gets back. What would you like to do?
Set a trial date.
Oh, that's all right.
Yes, set a trial date, because this supposed to be a trial date, I thought.
All right.
Huh?
What made you think this was supposed to be a trial date?
I mean, that's what the officer,
No, this is just arraignment, sir. This was your first time coming to court, is it?
Yes, it is.
Have you been the one, is he the
His
one?
wife,
Huh?
his wife. Has been very diligent about trying to get his matters together.
Your wife is, on your head, sir?
My wife on my head.
Yeah, about getting this stuff taken care of?
I mean, when you want, I mean, I want to take care of myself.
But your wife has been the one calling up here?
That's right.
Every day.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date.
Yeah, I guess, I mean, I guess I should be setting a trial day because I have a receipt showing that I paid for the tarp that the officer asked me to do, and he said he'll throw it out. So I don't know what more to do but talk to the officer.
Well, that's the best way to do it, sir.
Okay.
December 14th. December
All right.
14th at 9 a.m.
Okay,
2021. Anything else?
Can you repeat
can you repeat that one more time? I'm sorry I didn't get all of it. December the
December
14th,
14th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, I'll be there.
All right, have a great day. Just be on Zoom.
Okay, on Zoom.
Same
Have a
courtroom?
great day.
Same
Pardon me?
courtroom?
Same. Oh, that's the wife there.
Yep.
Miss Gregory,
Yes.
you are on his head, aren't you?
Well, we was under the impression that once we paid for the tarp, that they were gonna throw the ticket out and we just needed to send the receipt.
But you're the boss over there, right?
No, we both are.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. No, well, if you got that impression from the officer, December 14th, we'll have the officer in here and then we'll be able to work it out then. All right.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. What are we gonna do with Miss Lyon? All right. We have a Zoom user, young lady with the Earth background there.
Hi, my name is Raquel Langford.
Langford.
Yes.
Good to see
How you
Miss
doing
Langford.
this afternoon?
All right. And
That's great.
we have the U693CL device.
Yes. Come on now, you see me on court and you just keep being bad. Be quiet.
All right, now you got to mute your device, please. Who's on the U693CL device? Unmute yourself, please, on that U693CL. All right. This is Miss Nash. Can you get some insurance, ma'am?
Yes.
When can you do that?
By next week.
By next week? All right. The offer is pleading to improper place. Look, we're back on the record with Mrs. Is it Mrs. Destiny Nash?
Miss Nash.
Alliance Nash?
Yes.
Miss Nash?
I just had my mother and father's.
Okay, Miss Nash. Okay, so the offer is plea to improper place. That's a misdemeanor. It's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll fine you $240. But I think it would be better served that you use that money and go get yourself some insurance because you're still driving, right?
Yes.
So if I give you to next week, you can bring the insurance in here. If you get the insurance in here, we'll dismiss these matters.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna give you till September 7th. 2021. I call that a free trial. I can't hear you, ma'am.
Excuse me, can I do that Thursday maybe?
Turn your video off.
The 9th?
Turn your video off, please, so that we can get better reception from you.
Okay, I can hear you now.
Turn your video off so we can get better reception. You're breaking up. Maybe that'll give you some more bandwidth. You want more time? I'm gonna give you to the 14th.
Okay.
Now don't bring any bogus insurance in here, Ms. Nan.
I'm not.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. I will see you on the 14th at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
Okay, who's on that device there, that U693CL?
Mr. Lally.
Good afternoon, Mr. Lally.
I'm late because I was trying to set up my Zoom. I didn't.
Yeah, I got you. Daniel Lally.
I'm on the phone right now. Okay.
Mute your device, sir, until I call your name.
Okay.
Right, so, yeah.
Which one? I guess we can arrange it. We'll put them back on the other calendar for Judge.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Abdul Sini. Did I get that pronunciation right, sir? I can't hear you. You have to unmute yourself. You gotta unmute yourself.
Yes, Abdul Sene.
Sini, right?
Yep.
Okay, sir. What we're gonna do is we'll get you arraigned and we're gonna put you back on the docket that you were supposed to be on. Maybe they can sign and fly, or do we have to send it over there?
He doesn't even have a docket this afternoon, Your Honor. That's what he told me. Unless you want to just reschedule it for an arraignment for that courtroom, you can do that as well.
Well, yeah, because you're not supposed to be in here. I have the last names G, L, and O, and you're supposed to be in front of Judge Blount. I don't know how they assigned you to my courtroom. So what we'll do is, I guess we can get them arraigned. Right?
I think so, Your Honor. So he doesn't have to keep coming back.
All right, let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Abdul Aziz Sini. Case number U60318-121.
Yes.
See, I'm going to waive the reading of the complaint, and I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to put a $500 bond, and I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, and I'm going to put a $0 personal bond on this matter. Okay.
Okay.
And what do we do about the court next
Uh,
court date?
She had 30 days, the clerk that's in there now.
Can you repeat that again?
30 days. So I'm gonna give you a court date for October 5th.
October 5th?
Yeah, pre-trial, October 5th, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. And you're gonna call in this time the Zoom address. It's going to be 360-333-0000.
Okay.
So 360-333-0000, that's Judge Blount. So October 5th at 8:30, you need to be in Judge Blount's courtroom, and then they'll take over the case from there, okay?
Okay.
All right.
About the bond.
Okay, have a very good day, sir.
So, how about the 500 you were talking about earlier?
No, I'm sorry, I misspoke on that. That's just a $0 personal bond. You don't have to worry about posting any bond.
Oh, okay.
All right.
So October 5th, 8 a.m., right?
So 8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m.
Yes, and that Zoom ID that I gave you.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Well, let's go. We're back on the record, excuse me, with John Paul Lijek. And giving you an opportunity, has he come out the breakout room? No. Is he coming out?
He's on the phone. I didn't know how to tell him to come back on the phone, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
All right, we'll wait on him. And we'll move to. Oh, here he is.
Oh, that's not fun.
He's not on the phone. Well, if he's on the phone, he's on the smartphone.
No, I'm back in.
All right, let's see your face, sir.
How do I do that?
You hit the video button.
Oh, all right. Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Can you, if not, I can try on my phone. I'm hitting it.
No, you're gonna be all right. I think you'll be able to get it.
It says cannot detect camera. Check the device and connection, and try again.
We're back on the record with Mr. Lijek.
Yes.
I gave you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer.
Yes.
So, Counselor, you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Yeah, again, good afternoon, Your Honor. Allison from RP 60236, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lijek. Please state your name for the record. Mr. Lijek?
John Paul Lijek.
Your Honor, respectfully, we are asking for a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Oh, very well.
While, but I've taken a lot of time with Mr. Lijek.
All right. Is that your understanding too, Mr. Lijek?
Yes.
Okay. December 14th, 2021 at 9 a.m.
Okay. Can I request? I want to request a court-appointed attorney.
All right. You have to fill out a court-appointed attorney form. Do you have an email address, sir, that you can send me in the chat?
Yes.
We will email you that form, and you have to get that form back to the court.
Okay.
All right, so send me your email address. Right now, your trial date is December 14th, 2020 at 9 a.m.
Okay, will it be virtual or at the court?
It's gonna be virtual.
Okay.
And I always let people know that you have an absolute right to remain silent, that the burden is completely on the city in this matter, But if you have some information on that day to assist your attorney, whoever they may be, we'll have an attorney here that day as well. So if you have some information to assist your attorney, then I would suggest that you get that information or have that information readily available on that day.
Yeah, it was just the information I just talked about.
Yeah, well, that's fine. Whatever you talk about, I'm going to let you keep that private with your counsel.
Okay. Now, will I be able to talk to the court-appointed attorney before this date or no?
If you get appointed, somebody appoints you. If they appoint you that lawyer, then yeah, I would assume so.
Okay. When will I know when I get the court-appointed lawyer assigned to me and all that?
Well, I don't know if you're going to get a court-appointed lawyer assigned to you. I can't say that definitively, but I would say that first and foremost, you're going to have a lawyer on that day, so you won't have to worry about being without counsel. Secondly, you have to fill out the forms, and I just can't give you a timetable on how long that stuff takes.
Okay, I know that.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So we're going to get you that form. Did you get that form? He sent his email address to everyone.
Oh.
So if there's nothing further, sir, we'll get you that form, and we will see you back on December 14th.
No, is my background check, is that still going to show my charges?
Okay, Mr. Lyjak,
Yes.
the court cannot answer any of those questions. We have gone over in great detail as much legal information and advice that I can give you. So you have to think back on what we discussed, and you can answer your own question with that, okay?
No, well, I want to know because I'm applying for jobs and stuff.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
What is she just told you that's all the information you're going to get. You have to do that whole applying for jobs and stuff like that. I respect that you need to apply for a job, but it is what it is. And until it gets resolved one way or another, it's just going to be that way.
Okay.
All right. So, I mean, it's just a matter that needs to be, it's going to have to be adjudicated one way or another.
Yes.
All right. So that's all what I can say is right now is just an allegation. So you don't have to say I was ever convicted of a misdemeanor right now. It's an allegation.
If I change my mind and decide to accept the plea deal, can I still do it?
Yes, sir.
At a later date, or do I have to do it today?
December 14th, sir. We'll figure it out then, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay. We're going to send you that appointment form as well in the email.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Too.
Mr. C, what are you doing back, sir?
I have one question. Do I need a lawyer about this case?
I would suggest you always have a lawyer, but there will be a lawyer here on that day.
Say it again.
I would always suggest that you get a lawyer, but there will be a lawyer here on that day.
Okay, get it.
All right.
All right, thank you.
All right.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is Ed Lloyd. I was supposed to be here at 1.
I know, I got you, sir. All these people checking in late was going to stop soon. All right, we got Mrs. Langford here. Let's see what you have, ma'am.
How you doing today?
Very well. I don't see how people are late on Zoom. I don't understand that. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Raquel Rose Langford and SP 1173517, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 113527, counts 1 and counts 2. So, Mrs. Langford, there isn't a plea deal here for you to plead to improper plates. That's a $240 fine. That is a misdemeanor. However, it does not abstract to the Secretary of State, so it won't carry any points. And to plead responsible for blocking traffic for the defective lights. Well, for the improper lane use, that's the civil infraction that carries points. So the blocking traffic is another $175 fine, but it doesn't carry any points either. I can allow you to take that today if you want to accept the responsibility, or you can set a trial date, or I can put you in a breakout room with the lawyer. What would you like to do?
I'll accept the responsibility.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help me God.
All right.
All right.
Mrs. Langford, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for the misdemeanors are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Oh, yes.
You understand?
Oh, no, I can't go to jail.
You understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just stated in the record?
No.
Okay, Mrs. Langford, let me draw your attention to March the 6th, 2021. You done, ma'am?
Yeah, I didn't hear what you said. I'm sorry. A bee was trying to sting me. I'm sorry.
Let me draw your attention to March 6, 2021 at 1:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Hayes and Seymour. Did you have an occasion on that day to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer, ma'am?
Yes.
And on that date, were you operating a 2011 Ford?
Yes.
And was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, it was improper plates.
And how were they improper?
It was from another vehicle.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea to improper plates, $240 fine.
What time is it, baby?
I'm going to draw your attention, ma'am, to the same date and time, ma'am. What did you do for improper lane use? Were you swerving over the road or something, ma'am?
No, I swerved over to the right to try to get over.
So you were speeding over the road. I just asked her, was she swerving over the road? She said, no. I swerved over to the right.
Yes, well, yes, your answer is yes. Go back. Go back. I'm asking a question while you coming out here. Come on, shut up.
Listen, ma'am, you're going to have to do something with your kids while you're in court because you're disrupting and being disruptive. All right? I'm going to accept your plea to the amended count of blocking traffic, and I'm going to fine you $175 for that. With the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I'm going to dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
When can you pay, Ms. Langford?
In probably two or 3 weeks.
I'm going to say October the 4th.
You say, when?
Pay by October 4th.
October the 4th. And how much was it?
240 plus 175. If you don't have it paid by October the 4th, you need to zoom back in and see if the court can find you some more time, or there's gonna be a warrant out for your arrest.
Okay, 240 and 175 by October the 4th. 240.
All right, have a great day if there's nothing further.
All right, see you. Have a good one.
All right.
Hope I ain't gotta see you. You ain't gotta see me. Hush. The judge already said get in control of your kids and y'all.
All right. Let's go on to Mr. Daniel Lally.
Here, Judge.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Crawford Lally. Case numbers SP 1114399, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1167354, counts 1 and 2. U 7474271. And we'll throw this in there as well. This is in default. I'll allow them we're waiting. Daniel Crawford Lally.
Yes.
What's your date of birth, sir?
July 1st, 1968.
Oh, okay. You got the Daniel Crawford Lally the second, right?
Yes.
That's your son, sir?
Yes, it is.
He needs to come in here too.
Wow. Didn't know that.
All right. Well, that's all we have for you. So I'm going to call SP 9777631. That's the default. I'll allow them to set the default aside. So the offer today is to plead to 2 counts. 1 count, disorderly conduct for in the dark, in the park after dark.
Huh?
Other count of, let me make sure that's you. Yeah.
That's my son. That has to be the other one.
Well, it's got your date of birth on here, sir.
That's not me. I'm here for a traffic ticket.
We got a little bit of a problem. Let's strike these matters from the record. SP 1114399, counts 1, 2, and 3. Those appear to be his son. I have, that gives me SP 1167354, counts 1 and counts 2. And still, the SP 9777631 and U 74742711. So that in the park after dark is under your name. All right, that case, I'm going to dismiss that case because it's been since 2011.
That has to be my son.
Pardon me?
I said that has to be my son.
Why would it have to be your son then?
Because I don't get disorderly. And I don't be at the park after dark either, sir.
Not in 2011, you weren't?
Not even in 2011.
On Burns and Jefferson?
Oh,
Do you
especially
go to
like
that?
that. No, I'm on west side there. No, I don't go to the east side.
I'm gonna dismiss that anyway. All right, so now, let's go back to the drawing board then. Expired, driver's license expired, improper lane, and disregarding the red signal. This disregarding the red signal, are you gonna say this isn't you either?
I didn't see a red signal. All I seen was fire trucks and police cars. I didn't.
This
There
is
wasn't
on,
no.
this is not at the same time. This is on Foley and Hubble Avenue, so that's on the west side. But
Oh, that one. That light was red. It was yellow. I remember that one. That was me.
Now you
That
just pled guilty to it because it's amber or red light. But let's say this: do you have a driver's license? Listen,
Huh?
do you have a driver's license now, sir?
No, I don't. I'm trying to work on getting my driver's license.
All right, let's let him plead to a blocking traffic, Ms. Fulmer, and give him $175 and let him go get his license. Is that good enough?
Lally, yes, Your Honor. Mr. Lally, that means it's 0 points and it does not get reported to the Secretary of State. I think that's a good deal. Thank you, Your Honor.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, I will.
So what we'll do is, Ms. Lally, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You swear to affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial? Are you still there, sir? Is he there?
Hello? Are you talking to Adrian Lloyd?
No, not that I know.
Oh,
Are you
okay,
there,
I was trying to figure it. Okay.
Mr. Lally, are you there? All right, let's put this matter aside until he gets connected with her. All right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Adrian Deshaun Lloyd, case number SP 117154, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Lloyd, do you have insurance now?
Yes, I do.
Can you provide the court with proof of that insurance?
LA Insurance?
I don't care what kind of insurance it is, as long as it's insurance.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Can you I want to send you my email address.
Okay.
You can email me that proof of insurance, please.
Okay.
I'll put it in the chat.
Okay, I can. Okay.
So mute yourself until you can give me that document. And when I get that document, we'll dismiss your cases, all right?
Okay, and then I have one for a seatbelt too.
I'm going to dismiss both of them if you give me the insurance.
Okay, thank you so much.
You almost landed.
Ms. Glenn,
Yes, hi.
how are you?
I'm okay.
Let's call your case. This is Diamond Monique Glenn.
Yes.
Case numbers SP 11709929, counts 2 and counts 3. What happened to count 1? They didn't put count 1 on its first charge speed not listed. Why didn't they put why did they put count 1 on here?
It's not in the system. For some reason.
And it's not gonna pop
typed
up
it.
anytime later, right?
No, usually it's not.
All right, so do you have a license, ma'am?
Yes.
It's valid?
Yes.
Pull her license, please. If you have a valid license, I'll dismiss both of the tickets.
Okay.
Pull her license.
Okay. Hold on, Mr. Martin. Oh, that's
Who's in the car?
No, and I'm in the car by myself. The kids outside playing.
Well, you can't fault them for that, can you?
Yeah, no.
Your license is valid, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Let's dismiss the cases.
Thank you.
Hey, Your Honor, I sent you through it on email.
All right, ma'am, if there's nothing further, I'm gonna dismiss both the cases if they're, that'll be it. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right.
Hey, Adrian, I had sent the insurance to your email.
For a different day. Mr. Larkin. No.
Can you see how many cases there are here?
4.
Is there an offer in the file?
I have to go pull it.
Just give him another day.
Well, he got a date. He's just trying to, I guess, take care of it. He got a show cause date, and then he got some new tickets on right on the in September.
Yeah, he needs to, we'll remove the warrant. All right, I got your, proof of insurance here, sir.
Okay.
For now this is for a Jeep.
Yes, I don't have that car anymore. I don't have the car. I don't have the 300, the 200 no more.
All right. I'm going to dismiss both the matters. If there's nothing further, sir, you're free to leave.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Anna.
I'm good to go.
You're good to go, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Lally never came back, did he?
Not that I can recall.
What are we looking for now?
Just regard, show cause, I'm gonna see if he had anything in the file.
You don't have to walk all the way around. No, I mean, you don't have to go all the way around
Oh,
like
that's all
that.
right, I don't want to start with you. Oh, no, I would never disrespect you, but I appreciate you. Thank you. Let me see if I can find it.
We were gonna give Mr. Lally a,
There is an offer, let me see. I don't know if that encompasses the new stuff or not, but I can give you what I have.
yeah.
No, okay, short version of it. Are you looking for one yet right now? I'm trying to look it out right now. Yeah. When you're talking to me right now, I'm not gonna be able to take a couple minutes. He's not able to right now, Your Honor.
Well, what's he calling
I
about?
know, because he's, I thought you were able to zoom in right now, that's all it took. You want us to just give the number, phone number out?
I don't know what you're asking.
There's another number when people can't connect to the audio.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
give them that phone number.
Connect on his phone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me give it. Number.
All right.
I'm all right.
turn off your background noise, sir?
Say it again.
Can you turn off your background noise? Where's this file?
Okay.
All right. All right. This is
Hello?
Mr. Frank Perkins.
Frank Larkin, yes.
Wasn't he supposed to be here a while ago? This is so false.
Barely here. What'd you say now, sir? I'm sorry.
Are you gonna be able to pay attention?
It's not that I just can barely hear you.
I don't know what I can do about that, sir.
Oh, I can hear you clear now when you said that.
All right, I have City of Detroit versus Frank Cass Larkin. Case number is SP 1126883, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1170627, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Allison Palmer appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Mr. Larkin, are you there?
Last name, Your Honor.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
State your name for the record, please.
Frank Cass Larkin.
So what's going on? Are you going to be able to pay attention or not?
Yes, I am. It just was the way that my phone is like, oh, it's like I can barely hear you, but I can hear you loud and clearly now.
All right. It's an offer here in the file for you to plead to and allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and a improper plate. That's $480, sir, and you have a misdemeanor, a civil infraction blocking traffic that you pled to back in 2018 that you never paid.
This is what I get for putting the car in my name, but yeah.
Your Honor, what is the client's last name? I'm sorry, I'm trying to find it on the docket sheet.
Larkin, it's not on the docket sheet. He called in.
Oh.
Did you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So the city attorney wants you to plead to 2 and he'll drop 2.
Say it one more time, sir.
Do you want to go to trial?
Do I want to what now, sir? I'm sorry.
Do you want to take the deal or do you want to go to trial?
Just I'm gonna take the deal.
I think he's talking about the blocking traffic ticket that he had a long time ago. Somebody put a car in somebody's name. Somebody got a ticket. What do you mean by putting a car in somebody's name, sir?
Like I had got a car for my nephew, and well, he had bought it, and he just like wanted to use my name, and I didn't think much of it because of like he was okay and everything, and now all this is like coming back on me, and it's like a lot of people been telling me not to do it, but me having the heart and nobody else to do it, and now I'm paying for it, so it's.
Is that the 2006 Jeep?
Yep, Grand Cherokee.
I don't know if it's a Grand Cherokee. That is the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Yeah.
Unregistered, untitled. No, unregistered, untitled is for a 2011 GMC.
Oh, 2011 GMC. Oh, that's
no
she had her surgery. Yeah. Wow.
No insurance misdemeanor. And then the GMC, what's going on with the GMC?
I was driving it for a neighbor and we had got stopped because of the license plate. And by me driving it, I gave them my license.
Huh? Mr. Palmer, what do you want to do?
You and I can go into a breakout room with my client.
I don't even think we need to go into a breakout room. I don't think we need to go. What do you have a suggestion for your client to resolve this?
I would recommend it, Your Honor, but I was going to explain the law to him that if he owns the vehicle,
I don't.
No, you're not listening, sir. Listen to what she's saying.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
Okay, so if you own the vehicle, you just indicated that the vehicle was in your name. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, you own the vehicle then, sir.
Okay.
And so if, just like God forbid, if whoever you financed that car for, if he went out and hit and killed somebody and kept driving, somebody got the license plates, guess who they're going to reach out to?
Okay. Yeah.
You. So you have a lot of responsibility in doing that. So allowing an unlicensed driver to drive is 0 points. It does not get reported to the Secretary of State. It is still a misdemeanor, okay? And you can pay the ticket and be done. It is a misdemeanor. Now, I don't know what all you have on your record, but
no, clear record.
Okay.
Listen, where is this 2006 Jeep?
2006 Jeep will be located on the east side of Harper.
Is that still in your name?
I believe so.
Well, you better know better than that. All right. What we'll do, are you working, sir?
Say it again.
Are you working?
Yes, I'm at work now.
All right, what we'll do is we'll give you allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of $240.
Thank you, Adam.
Thank you.
You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, sir, can you raise your right hand, please?
Raising it now.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Problem with that is he doesn't fly out. All right, let's find out. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have a right to a trial in these matters?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give that trial right up?
Hold on, say that one more time, sir. I'm sorry, I couldn't.
You understand by taking this offer today, you're going to give that trial right up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just told you in the record?
No.
All right, sir. I'm going to draw your attention back to October 21st, 2020 at around 1:46 p.m. Sir, were you the owner of a 2006 Jeep at that time?
Yes, and I think that was over there. Yeah.
Pardon me? And at that time, did you allow somebody to drive that Jeep?
Yes.
And that person didn't have a driver's license, correct?
Now that I wasn't aware of, even though I hold full responsibility of what happened, but by me not knowing, I should have knew better than that. But everything just seems so legit. As far as my cousin worked all it, so like that's on me, and I understand that.
All
But
right,
I really
so
wasn't aware.
please. What do you want to do? He didn't know that his nephew didn't have a license.
Even though I should have known better.
I was trying to just give him one to allow him, so he doesn't have any criminal record. He's gonna do a misdemeanor for it.
You don't want.
Unless you can take it under a 3-month delay.
Oh, you can do it.
The improper plate can be under a 3
Oh, no, I'm
month.
talking about do the allowing under 3 months.
He can't make a factual basis because he didn't know that his nephew didn't have a license.
You just stipulate to the face of the ticket.
Can we just stipulate to the face of the ticket, counselor?
Judge, I really can't, I don't feel comfortable with that because he's saying the complete opposite, and I don't,
Yeah.
he's not saying he doesn't remember, and he certainly
I
is
know.
not that, there's no civil liability attached, so I don't know that he falls within the category of a no contest. I think it just has to be for a trial date.
Well,
I'm lost when you say I don't remember. Was it? I
I wasn't talking to you, sir. That's a
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
legal
I'm sorry. I
terminology
apologize.
that the
I'm
judge
sorry.
and myself understand. A
I
factual
apologize.
What about this blocking traffic ticket, sir?
That I'm not aware of.
Impeding
Like I'm not
traffic
aware of.
on August the 26th of 2018 at about noon in the area of Russell and East Fisher.
In the 2008 Impala.
Yes.
Yeah. I could have sworn I've been took care of that.
No, you didn't take care of that, but it's already been adjudicated. I'm just gonna dismiss it for him. I'm just gonna close them out, sir. You pay that money on that blocking traffic. When can you pay that?
And the total is it saying 158?
158.40.
I can pay that as soon as possible.
And then you're gonna have, I'm gonna dismiss the matters, and I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. Then you're gonna have two $45 reinstatement fees. So you're looking at $248.40. When can you pay it?
I can pay that tomorrow. I can pay it today, but I'm like at work. Well, I can
pay it
pay
tomorrow,
that as soon as possible.
Your Honor, I just like one last word with my client. So, sir, again,
Yes.
I'm just letting you know that if you own that vehicle, it's like just a real problem waiting to happen. You cannot let an irresponsible person drive, how many tons is a car? A killing machine around in your name without you having any responsibility. If he's that irresponsible, take the car back and save your name. Because like I said, if something were, he's racking up tickets, it's in your name and you are now on notice about it, right?
I would agree. Or he could probably just have the title switched over if he doesn't want to have anything to do with the car. Could he, Ms. Fulmer?
Yes, Your Honor. So the judge is being very generous here today.
I'm partaking all of that.
Right, but from now on, you can't just say, "Hey, I didn't know, it wasn't mine. That wasn't me.
Oh, no,
it was him." It's your car, and anything that happens in that car is your responsibility. Just like a house. Something going on in your house, it's your house, right? So
And that's your car, even though you might not have seen it in years, and it's over there laying up on the east side somewhere, but it's in your name.
I know. I'm fully aware of that. Like, it's really no way around it. No matter how I felt, the type of good person I am, there's no way around that. Like my mom been telling me, and she's 75, and she's been telling me. I just was looking at it like, But there's no other way to look at it. It's,
All right, well, you're getting a break, sir, but I would take the advice of the lawyer. She just gave you some very valuable advice, and it didn't even cost. So I would take heed to that. So I'm going to dismiss the matters. I'm going to waive the warrant fees, but you're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees. I'm going to put a date in here on that blocking traffic ticket that is going to be paid by the end of this week. That's September 3rd.
Okay.
2025. All right.
Okay.
And then those reinstatement fees are going to be out there until you pay those. So I would suggest you get the $248.40 all at one time and come down here to court and pay it.
I just said tomorrow, sir. I'm really about my business. Just made a few, unselected mistakes.
All right, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. You have a blessed one as well.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Honor.
All right, Ms. Palmer, that's going to do it. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
I know that. All right, we'll see you next time, all right?
Okay, you too. You all have a good day.
Have a good one.
Okay, you too. Thank
All right,
you.
see you, Ms. Williams. Welcome.
Hi, Your Honor. See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.